Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had an amazing week. I just wanted to jump online today and do a quick tutorial about how I made these summertime barrettes because they were so much fun and they turned out amazing. They're really cool looking. So I thought I would just jump on and give you a brief overview in case you wanted to try to make some of these barrettes yourself. My name is Gabriel. If you are new to this channel, I make and sell barrettes and hair accessories. I sell them on my own website, anngabriel.com, and then I also sell them on Etsy at Ann Gabriel Shops. You can find these barrettes there. You can find all my other barrettes there. So if you do, just pop over there. Just come back and say hi and tell me which one is your favorite. I'd love to know. But let's just get to the making of these. I am using Mad mica powders for this project, as I tend to use for all of them because they don't know me, not sponsored. I just really like the quality of their mica powders. And I really like the neons. They have a nice, bright, vibrant color. I had bought a new set of them though, and I was surprised to see that the new flotation device was a slightly different color from my old flotation device. The new one has a little bit more of a red hue to it. You'll see them on the right hand side of your screen, the two oranges. I ended up going with the lighter orange because I just liked it a little bit better. But in all fairness, I do think the new one actually is probably the closer color to an actual light preserver, just so you know. Uh, I just like the brighter orange a little bit more. So I just do multiple coats of painting on the UV resin with the mica powder. There is a little bit of a learning curve about how much mica powder you can put in UV resin and still have it cure. I mean, I don't have a magic recipe for you. What I can say, just cure longer than you think you need to. What I tend to do is I'll even run them a few times under my UV lamp, and then I live in Houston, so I'll just walk my barrettes outside and let them cure in the afternoon sun for the rest of the day. It's not going to harm them. I mean, you're better safe than sorry. Longer curing time is always going to work out to your favor. After these had cured for a whole day, I came back and just took jewelry glue and put a thin line down them, and then put on these faceted globes. It was very fidgety and they wanted to move. And I do apologize for my bad camera work here. I promise I'll get better as I continue to make videos. I'm trying not to be too hard on myself. I actually hold the barrette up to the camera and then miss the camera altogether. So that was good. But these globes, they might look plastic. They're actually made from glass. They're Czechoslovakian crystal. They're a company called Preciosa. Most people know Swarovski crystals. Well, Swarovski's no longer makes rhinestone for just mass production crafting anymore. You'll find them here and there for people who are reselling them. But Preciosa has picked up where Swarovski's left off, and they're a really amazing product. And these are their faceted crystal balls. These are hard to come by. Um, I will tell you, I'm running low, and I did quite the internet search to hunt down who still had these. I did find a company though who had something that looks suspiciously similar under a different name. So I might post that link below, but they're still a little bit expensive. They're two for $3, and I honestly don't know what the quality is because they're not the brand that I'm using. But they would be slightly more accessible than you trying to order them straight from Czechoslovakia, like I was doing. I guess in Czech Republic. I don't think they're Czechoslovakia anymore. Czech Republic. I'm just really aged myself with Czechoslovakia there. Anyways, so after they cured overnight, I came back and used UV resin just to make sure that they were like super securely on the barrette. I did that a couple of times just in case, you put it in your pocket or throw it in a purse that they'll survive. Though I don't recommend doing that at all with these barrettes. If you did, I did want them to survive. And so here you go. Here's the end product. They looked amazing because sideways they're clear and head on they take on the full color. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hope you have a great day. Bye.